Okay, let's try it out. Oh, looks like it might be working. Okay, hello. Looking good, looking good. Let's try it out on the other thing. The phone is what I mean by that. See if we can get the chat. Oh, I gotta close this door. See you, Kenzie. My wife's home today. Okay. Just start there. Not true. One of the things said that when Ike shows up, it was the best cutscene in Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Is not really true. Whatever. We're here to game jam. I think we're good here. Oh, wow. Less Curtis, more game. Okay. So that is good. Pause the video so I can just focus on chat. We're going till 11. We've only got 4 hours. We're trying to put in AI right now. Dude, Pillow Master, you're already here like that, dude. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're doing AI today. I don't have all of the pieces yet, but I've got 4 different pieces. I've removed them for testing. But, yeah, we're in the final stretch, no question. So, in theory, no. AI should be working soon here. Because in board, oh, I didn't press save, of course. Kind of wish it did that for me, but like I can't imagine changing code halfway and then not saving it. Yo, 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 what's up, Ben? Ben. We're doing AI today. I don't know if you're here to hear that. Yes, dude. Did you see me not click that tile and it immediately got selected? Ha! That's kind of hilarious. Oh, shoot. Bro, what was that? So this is my halfway done AI code. So right now, I'm not making the pieces completely autonomous. I just want to make it so that it chooses a piece to move. But also, I'm like, yeah. So it like selected a piece to move. So technically, this is me playing against somebody else because it selected a piece. But right now it's white's turn, but I'm having it select a piece. So I can click on this piece and have it go there, which is funny. So I'm gonna clip that real quick. I don't know. I really don't know where my clips go. I don't. But okay. So yeah, I'm gonna make it so that it only what What do you think you're going to get done? AI? I don't want to stop to think too long about what I'm going to get done. There is an unknown there. If not light turn, so if it's the green piece's turn, ugh. Tech debt. You incur a lot of tech debt. You get some messy code during game jams, which is an unfortunate thing, but light turn, not light turn. Um, let's see. AI manager dot Senjor. Okay. And its associated behavior. Okay, so in theory, now, I keep like looking at your question in the chat and wondering if I've answered it. So I'm just gonna slap that in there real quick. I mean, it'd be cool to like get everything, including 3D cutscenes done, but like that's not gonna happen. So it's loading, loading, loading. Loading, loading, loading. Yeah, I actually start at like 5 a.m. and then around 6:30 I stopped. Right now it's 7 for me. It appears now. I love this. So one thing is sometimes it'll have this piece or this piece in a back row that doesn't have a move option. It'll select that piece, and so then nothing's available. But so now, and partially because I just want to have it work. Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna make a trailer when my family is awake, but I think I'm actually gonna do AI opponents first because having like seeing like a whole bunch of AI pieces move around real fast sounds like a nice flashy trailer thing. A random piece is chosen with a tile selected. That's good. Selected tile is clicked on. Sounds really nice, but we're gonna have it cycle. Now, I mean, this is really nice that we got it partially working. Oh yeah. I'm just making AI work for the pawn, and then I'm gonna update all the other scripts. Is the idea. So back to AI Manager. When we do get moves, I said get moves. I'm about to come. What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm about to come. Is that hello in Zimbabwe? I don't know this word. I'm gonna look it up. if it's cringy, I'm not gonna say that a lot. I'm so paranoid. Okay. Cool. All right. So we clear the valid moves when we're done. Um, now we're going to check to see that the move um, uh, the move piece doesn't have a valid move cycle a few times. Yeah. Yeah, Pillow Master, I think there's a few international people that are watching because they were like they're like, oh, I gotta go to bed. 6 people are watching. Legendary, dude. They're like, oh, I gotta go to bed. It was like 11 a.m. for me, so I think that's kind of what's going on. Beast doesn't have a valid. Okay. So highlight possible tiles. Um, we're gonna return a bool. Return selected tiles. Dot count is greater than 0. Okay, so highlight possible tiles, and we're going to save this boolean. We'll do valid move found. Since this boolean makes things a little more confusing, I'm going to go ahead and put a summary in. Highlight possible tiles. Okay. Makes me a little bit more happy. Piece. Um, okay, and then max cycles. We'll just put that at 100 so it can try 100 different times. Check a random piece to see if it's valid. We're going fast enough. Let's have some music. Oh shoot. I'm not done yet. Uh, this get moves preferably should work for um preferably should work for int. I mean, for players and AI, which is not great. You know, maybe. Bro, I hate schools. Um, do you think HTML and CSS count as a programming language? I mean, sure. They're not scripting languages. So there's not like fancy logic you can do out of them. But if we're talking like, I feel like the kind of person that can do HTML and CSS is also the kind of person that can do scripting languages. Like it's still a learning curve. So like, yes and no. It's like, is a tomato a fruit? Biologically, absolutely. But you put it, it's like not sweet enough to be used as a fruit. Like people don't just bite into tomatoes like they bite into strawberries. Anyway, so get valid move is cool and all. Yesn't. Beautiful. And then we're going to go back to the AI manager. It's going to do this get moves thing. I put max cycles in totally the wrong script. Okay. Think we'll do a while loop? Or should we do a for loop? I guess we'll do a for loop. Just let it type out that stuff. Did it not choose a new song? Jennifer, please. Give me my music. Giant lemons. I need them. Time to help people customize and save with. Also, if you're wondering if HTML and CSS could be a good job, yes, you should keep into account that ChatGPT exists, and if you're just starting out your career, that's. Or what's your favorite song? See, here's the thing, Ben. I'm 28. And at this point, I've had so many different favorite songs, like yeah, it depends on the day and stuff. Like it's like when I was a kid, I knew relatively less songs, and so it was a lot easier to sort through which one was my favorite. But now it's like I don't even know. Right now, I like level head music for developing because this is basically Super Mario Maker, but with more of a speedrunning emphasis and like a better system of finding good levels instead of just like endless Kaizo levels or whatever. And so, yeah, this is developing music basically. Um, so Yesent basically. Okay, so this is gonna go through until it finds a valid move. A while loop could probably do this just as well. It's good. Okay. Now, whoa. Not a huge fan of that. Like, that feels a little messy to me. Return base moves. This code's getting bigger. I look forward to learning more good coding practices from my data engineering friend. Because, like, the state machine thing he was talking about is good. And, like, some things, I just don't know. So I'm going to move a piece here. It should have immediately found one. I think I added this, and I think it's screwing things up. That boolean might not work the way I thought it would. So you're supposed to make it so that I could just supposed to make it so that I could uncheck this AI manager, and then it would not look for AI moves. But I'm looking at this, and I'm noticing a few things. Where are my words? I don't know what I'm noticing. Oh, there's no checkbox. I'm noticing there's no checkbox here at all. I don't know why some scripts have checkboxes and some don't. So now, in theory, when I move this, it should have. So the fact that it works sometimes tells me that this logic isn't working. I'm gonna try this out. Debug.log. So we're gonna see if that comes up as true or false. If we make a move and it doesn't select something, it should not say true. I feel like it's giving us a false true. Sorry, an incorrect true. And that's kind of messing up the script. Okay, true. True, true, true. Why did it separate those two? You see, it should have given us a false there. I'm gonna improve this debug message here. Oops. Pressed the wrong button on my keyboard. Excuse me. What do you mean? Oh. Doesn't like me putting a boolean in there. Okay, that's good. Okay. From the beginning. We just want a better debug log message. I remember during Halo Infinite one time there was an update that didn't fix a bug, but they were like, "Yeah, guys, we put in telemetry so that we could figure out what the heck is happening with this bug." And Tile 1? That's not very helpful. It's time to improve the board setup script. Trying to remember the syntax here. Is this? Okay, so now all the tiles are going to be named, not just for where they are in the column, but also where they are in the row, which should be helpful. And again, in telemetry, we're just putting in a lot of telemetry, which is stuff that helps me debug, basically. What was? What? Why is it selecting tile 1, 3? There's literally nothing there, and I couldn't have moved there either. And it's calling it a second time when I move. Not a fan, Sam. It says one reference. It's like this is getting called twice. This is one reason Cody takes so long. Y'all, if you have any ideas as to what's going on, let me know, because I'm kind of at a loss here. So, it just... Highlight possible tiles is getting called twice when I move. There's 4 different references. It's not great. Actually, it makes sense, because the pawn has to call it.
Need inspiration? Shop Smith's for over 30,000 mouth-watering choices with savings beyond low prices.
Any ideas, y'all?
Worth over $600 each week and up to $1 off per gallon. More savings and more inspiring flavors make Smith's worth it every time. Smith's, fresh for everyone. Fuel restrictions apply.
Save big on your favorites with the Buy 5 or More, Save $1 each sale. Simply buy 5 or more participating items and save $1 each with your card. Smith's. fresh for everyone.
Wait. No, okay. I was going to say, is this actually working super well? No, it's not. This is confusing me. Why is this? I guess the better question is, why isn't this getting cleared? So, okay. So here's a few things. It appears to always think that this is true because it always thinks it's true because it's still maintaining a state from the last time I clicked on a piece. But that confuses me because deselect tiles should be getting called. And choose piece should only be getting called when it's been deselected. It's time to debug. I mean actual debug. Oh, okay. Can't insert in a white space. So this should let me just walk through line by line to understand like why different things are getting called. Oh, there's a debug button here now. Maybe I should press the bug button. Buggy, buggy, bug. Load! Like, this is too long, right? Okay, so when I click on it, it highlights the possible tiles. If I hover over this, I can see. Why is it false, dog? One three actually makes sense, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm pressing the wrong freaking button. This. This is the. Okay, now it's true. Good. It's like, yeah, I found a valid move. Cool. Now it's reached the end of preview piece moves. Now it's reached the end of on click. Okay, now I can click again. Oh, it's because it was a temporary breakpoint. I was like, why didn't it trigger again?
Music Premium. It has a toggle thingy.
Oh! What? What? Guys, this calls for a bathroom break. Need to not look at the screen because it didn't trigger the breakpoint, but it still gave a second Unity message. Ah! Pillowmaster, you tell me, dude. So what I'm trying to figure out here is it's just this logic right here in AI Manager. If a valid move is found, it's supposed to take that valid move. If a valid move has not been found, it's supposed to try clicking a different piece. Does get, I mean, get moves, yeah, get moves highlights things. So it's supposed to call this until it highlights something. But it's not doing that. I don't know why. Okay. I think I found it. So highlight possible tiles. We're done with music for now because things are not schmoving. Highlight possible tiles does nothing to check if a move is valid or not. It's just gonna write this question for myself in a few minutes. That's the real question. Because selected tiles is always going to get filled. And then somebody else is going to check if it's possible or not. So I'm going to go to the restroom and hopefully we're close to finding a resolution of this. Obviously pretend, but okay. Okay. Thanks, Pillow Master. You have a good one, man. You have a good one. Should be back in an hour though. All right, sweet. Okay. Okay, so who checks? So it's getting attempted moves here. That comes from valid moves, which gets filled out by the pawn. So the pawn calls. So how many times does that get called? Let me know, bro, if it's done. It'll never be done, Ben. It'll be done at 11 a.m. my time. So right now it's almost 8. So it'll be done in 3 hours. All eyes on you, bro. Yes, sir. Doing my best. Okay, it was called once. Dude, collapse. Why aren't you collapsing, like, effectively? Like, it just puts these numbers next to things, but, like, should be exactly the same word, dude. I hard-coded in a string. So, why is get moves called when moving? That doesn't make sense. Wait, maybe it's called because of this. Actually, even better. Let's just... Is that why it's getting called twice?
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Uninterrupted videos and an app made just for music. YouTube Premium. One subscription, 2 apps. Try one month free.
Okay. Get moves called. Highlight possible tiles. Valid moves clear. So we get honkin' stonkin' commit. I'm gonna pause the stream for a sec. This is just super duper duper annoying, dude.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and video downloads. So you can watch cooking shows as you eat airplane food. YouTube Premium. It's way more than ad-free. Try 1 month on us.
Okay, I'm fairly hopeful. Oh, you know what else? No, it's gonna. No, I'm not even close to that, dude. Not even close. Piece of crap. Alright, wait, hold up. Has anybody said anything in the YouTube chat? I've been using Discord for my phone. I probably shouldn't do that. My phone for Discord. Yo. Heck yeah. What's up, Genix? Oh. just...
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free.
I want it to work so bad. I know that, Ben. I know all eyes are on me. I know people are watching, but like, this isn't working, dude. You look tired, man. I'm tired of this code not working. I've literally been working on the same bug for like an hour or something, dude. I feel like attempted moves is like getting filled when it shouldn't. You know, because like here, I'm going to click on a bogus, I'm just going to click on the back row. And it shouldn't really work. That highlight selected tiles thing shouldn't work at all. Okay, so attempted moves is empty. And so this shouldn't even get called. Like 80-20 rule, man. You spend 80% of your time on 20% of your features. Like the Pareto principle or something. I'm just spending so much flipping time on this one feature. And like, it's a super important feature. It's like a super important feature. Solo players. There's going to be a lot of solo players in the game jam, you know? Just people just going through game after game super fast, not like pulling together friends and whatever. I like playing the game. I mean, I haven't played the game single player ever, and I usually make single player games, you know? It's like I'm excited to see features come in because I know chess is good already, but like right now it's multiplayer. See, well, what was that? Tell me what you're choosing. You're choosing something wrong, dude. I'm trying to code AI right now, and it's kicking my butt. It's kicking my butt, dude. Ugh. Okay. Take a break. I mean, I've taken a few breaks. Like, I went to the restroom, said a prayer. Like, the thing is, it's not like I've been working for a super long time on this. I just want it to get done, dude. Okay. Selected piece. And then when this is done, I'm not just going to press commit. I'm going to look at all the different things I put in it. So yeah, dude, I am tired, but I don't I don't think a break is gonna help me. I think I'm just gonna get stressed out because this jam is so close to being done. Like 3 hours is not very much time to code, man. So I'm sorry I gotta do this.
Need inspiration? Shop Smith's for over 30,000 mouth-watering choices with savings beyond low prices, like digital coupons worth over $600 each week and up to $1 off per gallon at the pump. More savings and more inspiring flavors make Smith's worth it every time. Smith's, fresh for everyone. Fuel restrictions apply.
Save big on your favorites with the Buy 5 or More Save $1 each sale. Simply buy 5 or more participating items and save $1 each with your card. Smith's, fresh for everyone.
Good. Okay. Tried calling piece 38. Really? That's piece 38? Why is it piece 38? Piece 7. Piece 14. This should be piece 15. Maybe this loop isn't what's broken, and there's just like a whole bunch of mystery pieces? Like, this math doesn't add up, right? Like, there are not 50 pieces on this board. Oh, you know what? It's getting called which tile it's spawned on. Okay, that's fine. I mean, that's confusing. And so, like, I'll put in a... Ugh. Okay. There's one problem partially solved, which feels nice. Okay. So that's good. Like, totally fine that it didn't do more than one iteration. Totally fine that it didn't do more than one iteration. Not totally fine that it didn't do one iteration. Why you think this okay? Piece 44 is garbage. Stupid. 7, 6, 5, 4. It chose this piece. This piece doesn't have any valid moves. Okay? And it's passing down the line that it does. No, they ain't. No, they ain't, dude. Losing it. Watch out.
YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free.
They should be empty, dude. It should call this, and it should be empty. It should be clearing. Like, we're getting to the point that I might just, like, quit this feature. Ah, it's so frustrating. AI would be so freaking cool. So cool. Tiles, move. That could help. Okay, instead of waiting for it to randomly break, I am going to very purposefully break it by clicking on that back corner white tile every time. Whatever. I'm just going to say compiling mid-script is what caused that to break, because I don't know what that's all about. Okay, good stuff still on. Okay. Did that just work? Like, nobody touch anything. It's working, we don't know why. This appears to be working. And I don't... Oh, okay. No, that time it broke. Uh... Okay, we're gonna try to break it even harder. Okay. We're gonna do only 10 tries so that it breaks pretty quickly. And we're gonna just delete tiles. Pretty sure. I mean, that'll either completely break it, all eyes on you, bro. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Do 10. Start it up. Just, yeah, we're going on like about 2 hours of this bug. Bro, when will you stream again? I don't know, to be honest. Boop, 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 boop. I do not know. Bro, don't say that. I'm sorry. I took work off for these 2 days, and I don't take off work very frequently. That's completely false. You see how backward that is? See how backward that is, man? I deleted the tiles. It's like, yep, we're good. No, you're not, bro. So not good. It's so not good, dude. Bro, how many kids do you have? I have one 3-year-old kid. It's enough. It's enough. Well, it's enough to be busy, I should say. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Before we click on this, we need to manually remove these tiles. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This crap. We'll take the city and push it somewhere else. Um. Uh, it's just leaves such a bad taste in my mouth, dude. Taking a break. Okay, I'm back to try to you get $1 million, can't use your cement mixer for 2 whole days. What do you do it? Yeah. I would definitely do it, first of all. Second of all, yeah, I'm back. It's the same bug. It's the same bug. And in an hour, I'm gonna revert all my changes. Thank you. I'm gonna revert all these changes because just nothing's working, dude. Nothing's working. Oh. And I'm just gonna like pause the face cam for a bit because it's just me scowling and bleh. The problem is that this thing is supposed to, so like, okay, when you select a piece, when you move a piece, it's supposed to select one of these valid moves, but it keeps selecting one of these back moves. So when it selects a back move, I'll probably just need to change the architecture or something. Because like it's supposed to, when it selects a back move, it's supposed to like try the loop again. And the way I have it seeing if it has a back move selected is by calling get moves, calling highlight viable towers, whatever, and then like seeing if there's anything in selected tiles and returning that. But this always returns true, even though like it's not. It it's like it's keeping the value from my previous move or something. So I don't know what's going on, man. It's just very, very frustrating. Like, it's still a good game. I'm still gonna release the game. It's decent, but like, it's just, oh, this is just work. Please. Please. It's not, it's not clearing properly. Please, dude. Please. Please, 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 please. Stop lagging! We're so close. Because it's not getting rid of the list. Okay, let's make a bigger board to test this more thoroughly, perhaps. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, dude. It was up in my thought process. Okay, we're gonna do like a 16 by 16 board. So it should be a 50% chance every time. Or nearly every time, you know? If this... Iterations of AI Manager is 3! Oh! I don't know if anyone's... Yes. It worked! My goodness. Okay, so time for a post-mortem. Talk about what the heck just happened. So, what happened was... This thing was checking to see if the selected tiles list had any items in it. When it was clearing it, it was making sure every item in the list was getting deselected and getting unenabled, which is fine. But it wasn't clearing the list. So the list had enlarged, its count had increased, but it hadn't actually like gone back down to 0. It didn't have anything active in it. And so it just, I mean, that's it, dude. I mean, it hasn't not selected a piece once. It's been selecting like a mad selecting foo, man. So a couple things now is to clean up all the stuff I just kind of threw everywhere, all the debug.logs and all the random changes that didn't actually matter. But like my main question is, why didn't I think of that? Like, clearly it wasn't clearing. You know, it wasn't. It was holding on to things, and I didn't check right here at the simplest thing. You know, I thought it was all the complex stuff that I just wrote that was wrong, but it was this thing. This thing was wrong. I mean, I just want this to read like English. I want this to like be clearer or something because it just. By the way, I probably would have saved 2 freaking hours if I just asked ChatGPT. I'm trying to obey the laws of the jam. Tell Mackenzie it's working! Exclamation mark. Okay. Yeah, at least I fixed it. I mean, I don't know. I just don't ever. I don't ever want to spend 2 hours again. You know, I just debugging is such a pain. It's such a pain. I don't know, dude. Might have to unpack that later. I'll even put it on a to-do list for after the freaking jam. Okay. Okay, so pawns get looking good. No useless things there. Did I really go into piece and just like add 2 pieces of white line? What the heck? Oh yes, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Open up! This is the police. Open up, dude. You can go back to 100 if you really need to. Yes! I've got 2 hours left that I can do, like, other stuff, dude. Called things light instead of white. Selected tiles, AI manager. AI manager. Changed highlight possible tiles a little bit. So this, we got a whole bunch of log in here that's not necessary. I don't know how or why that space was added. Just like, all this stuff can go. This can go. Most of this can go. This can stay. This needs to be here. Hardcore needs to be here. That needs to stay. And over here, we made the tile word easier to understand, and we recognize that that is hard to understand. Okay. Will I add more pieces? Pretty sure I will, bro. Cause it's not 10 o'clock, dude. I thought I was gonna spend another hour on this. We got it. Yes! 2 hours. Blech. Yes, dude. Fun seeing this game progress for yesterday. Glad you're liking it, man. Okay. I'm gonna go to the restroom. Because I don't know if you guys have been keeping track of how much water I'm drinking, but like it's a lot. So probably drink like 2 gallons in a day. Hey, snagging my water bottles. Gonna fill these up again. Kind of want to listen to the Cave Story OST.
Time to help people customize and save with Liberty Mutual. Forgot my wallet.
Forgot his wallet, guys. What a legend! All right. Yeah, it is pretty fun. Okay. So that commit is committed. So that's definitely less important. We only need to find the top one. So yeah, when a piece is killed, it needs to be removed. What are you doing, Lottie? Okay, so now I should be able to play through a whole game against an AI without it breaking because it should be removing pieces as we go. We are going to see if that's true. Loving this, dude. Still wondering why 2 hours were wasted, but we'll figure that out later. Learned a few things from this game, Jam. This is a bold move, son. When I killed that piece, the tiles didn't clear. What's that all about? Bilbo Baggins. Whoa. Crazy. I removed a deselect tile somewhere. I'm sure of it. Sure of it. It was, I think it was this one right here. Who needed that line? And that is why we play a game after each major change. See, that's the sort of bug fixing I like to do. Like, oh, hey, it's wrong. Oh, hey, I need to do the thing. We'll try that. We'll try that. We'll try that. Instead of like 2 hours. Like, I can rewatch this stinking video if I need to. Wild. Wild stuff, dude. For a second, I was fairly confused. How does that not count? Oh. That was just confusing because... Did it 2 times in a row. Okay, that psyched me out a little bit. I was thinking it was like not clearing tiles, but... This is like confusing me, like a lot. Because it just selected that piece. I mean, honestly, not a bad piece to select. It's just like... It looks confusing because it looks like white is still selecting stuff. Alright, so one tiny bug here, which is right here. It'll select which piece gets to go before my piece is moved, so we don't know if it's died or not. Oh, we got a long message. What's up? Will the AI automatically play move? That's the plan. Yeah, I'm just making sure that like the logic works before I like fully put it in practice. Because right there, I don't know if you saw, but it was selecting a piece that was like very close to being dead. And so if I had it click immediately, it actually would have dodged out of the way. Which I'm not sure is a great feature. I mean, it'd be kind of wild and funny like the first few times, but like pretty soon you'd be like irritated. So we gotta fix that. So to fix that, what do I need to do to fix that? We're gonna have to do some annoying stuff to fix that, that's for sure. You know what else? Hour and a half before it's time to say goodbye. I'll probably stream a little bit afterwards because I like this game. It's almost ready for judging, but I don't want to say goodbye. We gotta put in a state machine, but we gotta do it not today. Because, like, if a real player can dodge, more power to him, because that is not easy. It's not easy. It's gonna be like Super Smash Bros. Melee up in here. But, but the AI should not be able to do that, because the AI would do it every time it attempted. It would be annoying. So where was I? Board. Moving. We gotta put in a state machine, but for now, we're gonna... Ah! I just realized that that's not gonna work. There you go. We're schmoving now, boys. It's always it's always Black's turn, dude. I don't care what you think. It's always Dark's turn. Crud, man. That's not working. It's gonna be able to dodge, but you know what else? This AI is dumb. So, if it can pull out one super crazy move, good for it. Whatever, dude. Yeah, we're not gonna fix that bug for now. We'll just call it a quirky little quirks. Okay. What are you talking about? It was always Green's turn. White had nothing to say about it. It's just a massacre. What am I doing? Put in all the other pieces. Let's hit it! Remove useless variable. Okay, we removed a useless variable. And it should be, when I go to Unity, it's like, hold up. There's a whole bunch of compiler errors. What are you doing? Yep. RCB, I don't know why it's showing up, not showing up here, but there's no issues found. I've found issues. There we go. What are you talking about? Okay, it should work for all pieces now. So I can go into gameplay board. I can go into project. I can get to the prefabs. All right. Are you ready to rumble? Finna fight an AI. Hour and 20 minutes. Oh, crud. I forgot. Pawn needs to be first. So excited. What? Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I think we just need to get rid of this. Okay. Hopefully that's it. So for the rook, bishop, and queen. So it used to be a local variable. Now it's global variable. Simple as pie. Wait, did I not properly press save on it? No, I did. We're good. Eesh. Eesh. Okay, when this thing's done, in theory, it'll work. Just a little bit of lag. That's fine. Okay, what's happening? What? Man, it's not so bad as a revert, but like this isn't working. We might not have AI after all, but we're not like in this hopefully complete standstill. Why does it work only for regular old pawns? Because it does not seem to work for does not seem to work for the other pieces. Gonna have a massive material advantage here. I mean, let's be real. I'm not sure this game's gonna win at this point. Like, I think winning's gonna take a bigger team that knows each other better. Oh, right. Right. We have to have the same number of pieces. Yeah, I just want to check, does AI still work, or did I just, like, break it again? AI doesn't flipping work. Dude, what did I do wrong? 10 more minutes till I quit this. It's like it's just not. It's like AI Manager just isn't calling the method anymore. It says it's calling it right here. We've got the piece. Get moves, got on destroy. Valid moves clear. Highly possible tiles. What's this? What's happening? So it's broken in a different way now, like as of like a couple minutes ago. So now what's happening is the AI just doesn't select a piece at all ever. It's not like inconsistently working, it's like it just doesn't work at all. Which hopefully means it'll be easier to debug. And what's weird is it all happened So yeah, AI just isn't working at all, and Unity is chugging. It's absolutely chugging, dude. Why does it not work? Okay. We're done with AI. It's not happening. Knew it was going to be hard, and it was harder than I thought it would be. Also, you said the shortcut didn't work. I don't know why the shortcut wouldn't work. Maybe you just can't zip over shortcuts, I guess? That's my best thought on it. Like, hmm? Yeah, I might be able to add a few more pieces, but I also want to get a trailer out. Actually, no, no trailer. Playable in browser. Much better for the game jam. Like, just play it, y'all. Might be able to add more pieces. Okay, let's make sure it's playable with just one person. I mean, a lot of people are just going to have to play it and just like conceptualize what it's going to be like because they're going to be by themselves playing, which is unfortunate, but we got a local multiplayer game in a. Okay, it was just loading. That scared me so bad, dude. Queen's still doing what queens do. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sweet. Okay. Got that working. Now build settings. WebGL. Switch platform. So next thing I would add would be a king. So maybe while this is loading, I can do that. Hopefully an hour is long enough for me to play this thing, you know? For me to upload this thing, I mean. And it's not like super late at night either. Oh man. Oh shoot. Oh, MP3s are chugging. Music doesn't even work. I was gonna say we get to 10:15 and I am going into Task Manager and ending this. It didn't even work. Okay. It's good. We're at least gonna delete the unused ones. Okay. Really wanted to add in uh, there we go. That looks pretty good. I like it. Let's do it. Okay, beautiful. That's in. Things appear to work. Build settings. Okay, get it. So let me pick where to. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. You were about to build there? That's wrong, dude. That's just wrong. Mega mini chess. Go web. Fly. What? It's a loading stream now. This is what developing is, though, man. Hello? It's loading, then it's going to be uploading. Then we're going to make sure it works in the browser. It's probably not going to work in the browser. It's probably going to be a few bugs. Then we'll upload it, and then we'll try to squeeze something else in. Then we'll upload it again. We'll be good. I don't know what else I can do at this point. When Unity is just loading like this, and there's no more code to write. Like we're in a code-free state here. If I had a build already, I could make a trailer, but I don't have a build yet. I could turn back on the Cave Story OST. I mean, I don't know, maybe that would be enjoyable to y'all. We're just waiting now. Unity has like never been slower, dude. Like I know it's during a game jam. Action. Whoa. I know it's during a game jam, and so I'm already impatient. But throughout this whole jam, it has been chugging every time I upload code, and it is chugging right now, taking like several minutes to make a build. Usually took like 3. So I think I might update Unity, see if that fixes it. It's always taking an hour to upload Unity. It is chugging. Maybe I can squeeze in more pieces. Only pieces I'm really missing are the knight and the king, which should be way easier than AI has been. AI has just been a painful experience this morning. Super painful. Don't know why. Ugh. Let's go, dude! 45 minutes left. Oh, Unity's such trash right now. Dude, if it takes 15 minutes to upload a build, like, if there's a bug that's serious, I might not have time to fix it. And then it's gonna be, I can't upload the game. I mean, I do have the zip file that I've already sent, that I already did. So I can upload something. But I can't upload the browser version. This is redonkulous. Ugh. There's nothing I can like do in the meantime either.
Time to mix things up. Win, show me where to go. This is gonna be fun.
Work! Whoa. You know what? I'll upload my submission right now while it is chugging. CPP. Oh, sorry. It's been 9 minutes. I'm glad it puts that timer there.
I want to see games about teeny tiny microscopic things. I want to see games about absolutely enormous, cosmically massive things. I want to see games where big things become small and small things.
Okay, I'm actually glad I'm doing this. Yeah. Yes! It's submitted successfully! Oh, hey! Yes, I would take the $150 million. I don't have a cement mixer. think there's a fairly high chance that's a trick question. Wow. 32,000 people joined, and only 5,000 people uploaded a game. Hopefully we don't crash itch again. Okay, sweet. Now I can properly credit him. Dust bust. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so now I can play this game day and night. Please you uploaded something. No, dude, yeah, it's good. At least I uploaded something, but like, look at this! Like, this has never been an issue with me in Unity. Like, you know, it could take a while, but not like an hour. Like this scares me, you know? And it's such a dumb reason for it to not work. Anyway, thanks for talking me through this. I know I've been like a big negative Nelly today. It's stressing me out getting up to the deadline. Cause like you reach the deadline and you're dead. It's just like loading bar stream now. Please pick no payment. That is now acting like the printer. Works fine anytime except when you need it the most. You should play some Zelda music. Fine. Sounds good. Dude. Stressing me out, man. You know what though? Um, love all these other tabs and crap, and I love playing music, but like we're chugging, you know. Um, might even pause the stream because like yeah, I might even pause the stream to upload this thing because it's just this is so frustrating. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the stream. I'll probably like play some Fortnite or something after this after I turn this off and after 11 p.m. when everything's submitted and everything. But like, shoot, bro, acts like you don't care. Whatever, dude. It's just a game jam. You can take as long as you want. Take as long as you want, dude. Whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream just to like put full power into Unity because Unity needs it apparently. Uh, it'll get uploaded sometime if I have to download a new version of Unity later to do it. I'll probably do that. But thank you guys for showing up. Um, today was rough. Today was super rough. Having to use the muchacha method. It will come in next stream. So it's just, yeah, y'all have a good one. It's just, it was a rough day. Trying to get AI out the door was not easy. Not easy. So, yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll see you later.